Hi guys, today we'll explain how to add text in Adobe Premiere Pro. This process will be simple and easy. The first thing is open the application and open a project in which you want to add text. As you can see, I already import my video and also done editing. Now I want to add text. The first thing is take the timeline to that part to which you want to add text. Just for example, I want to add text on the start of this video, so I will take this here. The next thing is, before adding text, you have to enable a feature, and that called Essential Graphics. And how can you turn it on? Take a look on the right top. You can see the option window, click on it. And here you can see the option of Essential Graphics. Enable this one. Take a look on the right. Here you can see this panel, Essential Graphics. With the help of this feature, you can edit your text easily. Now, time to add text. And for it, take a look on the left bottom. You can see the option of text. Just click on it. Now take your mouse cursor on your video and click on this screen. And you can see the text feature has been enabled. Now write your text like I am writing. So I wrote this. After writing time, to manage the position, and for it, take a look just below to a line here. This one is for position increase or decrease the number. Then your text will be moved to right or left side, and for moving it to upper or lower. Simply, you have to change the numbers, like me. And if you think the text is not middle, then click on this option. Then your text will be in the middle. You can also change the color of your text by selecting your text. And here, tap on this option Fill, and select a color like me, and click on your option, okay. And now you can see my text color has been changed, and it was the way by which you can edit text in Adobe.